Okay, here's some really quick and easy cookie cutter / embossers that I like to use to make conversation heart cookies. I will put a link in the description below of where you can find them because they are one of my favorite cutter embossers. So pretty much one side is an embosser, the other side is a cutter, which is perfect because then you can choose the thickness of either the fondant or modeling chocolate that you want, or cookie if you want to do royal icing instead of fondant or modeling chocolate. And it's really simple. Emboss and then flip it over and cut. The set comes with 8 cutters with 8 different, each one has a different phrase, and they cut well and emboss well, so you don't have to worry about the jaggedy edges that you sometimes get with cutters. They work great. A couple times I have gotten them a little bit stuck, as you'll see in this one here, but you can either push it through with your finger or a paintbrush, or make it a little easier on you. You can take the cutter and you can tap it in a little bit of cornstarch, but then tap off the excess so you don't get it all over your fondant or modeling chocolate. And then all you have to do to attach it to your cookie is put a little bit of piping gel or corn syrup on the back and make it a little bit tacky, and then attach it to your cookie and you're done. So really quick and simple, but they look great and work amazing. I love these cutters. Happy Valentine's Day.